Okay. So guys, yesterday we discussed about the very first session for technical classes. Okay. So worked at technical majorly two parts, reporting and integrations. Okay. Especially we have just started about the reporting. Okay. So we just discussed about what is report. Okay. So data visualization, correct? Based on the business requirement, we can call it as a report. And reports are majorly two different types, guys. Workday delivered reports and Workday custom reports. When you bought the license from Workday, okay, and any tenant has been built for any company, so by default in the tenant itself, Workday has provided the reports. That's what system provided reports. We can call it as a delivered reports, and user created reports. We can call it as custom reports. That's what I mentioned. Workday delivered reports are system provided reports by defaultly. We can call it as a delivered. And this is the task name. We can see the list of all workday delivered reports in the system. Okay, and this is the one of the most common interview questions nowadays. Okay, can you give us some of the examples for the most commonly used workday delivered reports? I think he forgot to share those reports. I think. Okay, so we'll share today. Okay, so these all the each module wise workday has given these PPTs. Okay, to easy understand for the reporting foundation for a. Okay, you people are very new to workday, so these are the foundations. Okay, workday has given to for a better practices. Okay, perfect. Let's move on to the workday delivered reports are two different types, guys. A standard report and express for report. So how you will decide which one is a standard and which one is a express flow? So very simple. If report type as a report writer, if report type as a report writer, we can call it as a standard report. If report type as an express flow, we can call it as a express flow report. Let me see. Workday standard reports. Workday standard reports. You click on OK, this will run for all categories, correct? You can see in the reports, you can see the report category, you can see the report name, you can see the report description, and you can see the report type. You can see whether it has been scheduled or not, and what security domain it is connected. What security domain it's connected. Okay, guys. You can tell me now if report type as a report writer, we can call it as a standard. If report type as an express flow, we can call it as a express flow report. Very simple, pretty straightforward. Okay, perfect. See now, if report type as a report writer, we can call it as a standard report. If report type as an express flow, we can call it as an express flow report. Okay, perfect. Then what is the a major difference between these two? Okay, so very simple. Standard reports are allowed to copy and schedule, and express flow report won't allow for copy and schedule. See now, okay, let me take any benefit reports. Okay, can I take the benefit reports? Okay, let me take. You can take any recruitment or benefit or options, any reports you can take it. You can take this as an express report, right? Can I copy? Yeah. Please copy. Open to a new tab. I don't want to close this tab. Okay. I want to open parallelly one more tab. Go to top of the tab, click on the duplicate session. In the search box, the report you copied, right? You can paste it here. Okay. So this is the express report. Correct or not? Do you see any action is allowed for express report? Do you see? No. Okay, let me take any of the report writer. See, active court orders. Correct? Can I copy? Yeah, open one more duplicate session. Okay, active court orders. Let me take this. You can see what all benefits groups are available. If you want to select all, Control A, enter. You can select all one at a time. Control A, enter. I think I don't see any data for the court orders at this time. Okay, but I can see the related action for standard reports. Yes or no? Do you see any action button for the express report? No. Now you can see in this standard report, you can copy and you can schedule this. This is a just run only. Okay, it's okay. Run both options, both the reports will allow. See, if you are selecting this report and if you are running, yes, we are able to run the report and see the data. In this also, we can run the report and see the data. It's okay. Apart from that, what options, what additional options we have? Copy and schedule. These two options are additionally available for standard reports. Standard report. Okay, this is for just audits. This is for any custom reports which you created against this delivered report. Okay, you can see any IDs are there, layouts are there, web services are there, URLs. Okay, these all options are common things. Okay, only these two are special: copy and schedule. So that is what I mentioned very clearly. What is the primary difference between the standard report and express report? See, we can run the report and see the data as well as copy and schedule. Here we can run the report and see the data only. It will not allow to copy or schedule. See, I don't see that action button data. Correct? Or not? I don't see any action button for the express report. But I can see the action button in the report writer. You can take one more report writer. This is also a standard report, correct or not? You can copy this report as well. See, I can see that action button, copy and schedule. You can take any other express report, not only for that. Okay, not only this one. You can take any other express report. Can I take this one? Just control A, enter. I can get some data, correct? Do you see any action button? See, I can see this is an action button. Okay, this is an action button. Do you see that action button here? No, we don't have any action button for express report. It means this express report won't allow to copy or schedule. But when it comes to be a standard report, which will allow for action buttons, and this report will allow to copy and schedule. That's what the a primary differences between the standard report and express report. Very simple, pretty straightforward. Okay. Yes, you can run the report and see the delivered report using the Workday standard reports. From there, you can see very clearly based on the report type. If the report type is a report writer, we can call it as a standard report. If the report writer is okay, sorry, the report type as an express flow, we can call it as an express flow. The only difference is standard report is allowed to copy and schedule. Express flow won't allow to copy or schedule. That's it. Okay, guys. Excellent. Okay, let's move to the requirements, guys. Generally, how the requirements came from business. Okay, how the requirements are came from business. So how developer can think, move forward to the requirements. So this is the requirement we receive from business. Business want to see the list of all terminated employees who can access company benefits at. For example, if you joined any company, company will provide some benefits. Company will definitely provide the benefits. In India, at least they will provide the medical health, correct? Medical coverage. So before marriage, your parents are your dependents. After marriage, your spouse or children are dependents, right? So company will definitely pay for a few benefits, especially the healthcare benefits in India. But if you go for other countries, we have so many additional benefits. Okay, dental, vision. Okay, so there are so many additional benefits, children's educations. Okay, so those benefits should definitely get it, guys. Okay, so especially what happened, employee joined, but later employee has been terminated. Employee completely removed from the company, terminated, but still employee accessing the company benefits. Is it correct? No, it's not correct, guys. Okay, why? Because employee terminated from company but still is accessing the company benefits. Maybe something is wrong with the HR process. HR did not remove the employee benefits completely. Maybe that could be the causing the issue. They're accessing the benefits. Okay. Now the HR director reach out to us. Hey, dear Workday team, we would like to see the list of all terminated employees who can access the company benefits at. Okay, this is the requirement we receive from business. You no need to create the custom report directly. See, this is the task name for creating the custom report. Okay, what is the task name? Create custom report is the task name. Create custom report is my task name. Please don't put so much effort initially. That's what Workday recommended. Don't create a custom report. Okay, if any report requirement came from business, first check with the delivered reports. First check with the delivered report. If delivered report is matching your requirement, if delivered report is if delivered report is matching your requirement, if delivered report is matching your requirement, and you don't need to put so much effort for creating a new report. Why you are putting effort? Correct or not? So that is what I mentioned very clearly. So please verify the delivered reports first. Okay? See, please verify the delivered reports to check above requirement matching the details or not. Yes, you could find the delivered report for above requirement. Yes, in those cases, you can share those details to business. So very simple. If in case you could not able to find any delivered report, then you can create the custom reports because you are not able to find any delivered report for the requirement. It's altogether a different requirement and it is not matching any of our delivered reports. In such cases, we will create the custom report from scratch. Okay, perfect. Anybody can speak out. Is this report? So generally, where you will run this? Where you can see the delivered report, guys, workday standard reports. And as per this requirement, is this report related to which particular module? Online people? As per the business requirement, this requirement is related to which module? Is it related to core HCM? Is it related to the compensation? Is it related to the options? Is it related to the recruitment?
Hires
Is it
and
related to the
terminations.
performance?
Absence.
Or is it
Benefits.
related to the benefit module?
Core HCM.
Huh?
Core HCM.
Benefit module.
Which, as per this kind of behavior, benefits. It's very clearly saying that. Okay? Benefits. Okay? It is very clearly saying that employee terminated but still is accessing the company benefits. So when you are finding those delivered reports, go to the workday standard report task. And what is the report category? Benefits. I could see 41 benefit reports are available in the system. Correct or not? You can go one by one. You can go one by one. Do you see any terminated benefits report is there? Yeah, you can see now terminated employee eligible for benefits. Hope you are getting some related details right. This is also similar reports. Terminated employee eligible for benefits. Terminated employees with the benefits. Both are same. I think this is for with all the benefits you can see. This is he terminated but still is trying to eligible for some benefits. Okay, let me take this one. Just copy this report. It's a what report it is? Standard report. Okay, can I copy it, paste it here? See? Okay, let me run this one. Don't need to provide the run control parameters. Just click on this. It will go to rerun button. You can select the start date, end date, and what effective date. If you are giving this run control parameter from last 1 year, 2024, right, to till date, it will run only for selected date range. Only 10 members are there, correct? If you are not giving any details, this will run for all. This will run for all criteria. So 23 members are there, correct? All these people got terminated. See now, you can select this employee. Open one more duplicate session. See, this employee got terminated or not? It means his contract is ended and terminated. Okay. Now, but still is able to access the company benefits. See what all is eligible for those benefits. You can see what all the eligible. See retirement savings. Okay. A few of the benefit groups, a few of the enrollment events is still eligible to benefit process. Okay, guys. Perfect. You can see, right? Yeah. So I think I'm able to find the report. That's what I mentioned very clearly. Yes, you are able to find the delivered report is matching the business requirement. Now you can respond to the business team. Okay. So thanks for sharing the details with us. Okay. And for the for the suggested requirement, we have a workday delivered report. So terminated employee eligible for benefits. Okay. So please run this report and see the result and let me know if you have any further issues on this. That's it. We can just simply respond back to the business team by providing the delivered report names. That's it. Okay, guys? Perfect. So if any kind of requirements came from business, first you would like to check with the delivered report. If any delivered report you are able to identify for this requirement, you can share those details to business team to close the requirement. To close the requirement. Okay? So the next one is, in case you are not able to find any report for your requirement, so we have a straightforward to create the custom report. Okay? This is the task name. You can create the custom report based on your business requirement. That's it. Okay, guys? Yeah. I'm closing these two tasks. Okay? Okay. So this is the requirement identification. You can also run the report and see the data. After you verifying the details, you can share these details to business to close the requirement. Okay? Perfect. Once you share this report, once you share this report to the business reach out to us again. So dear Workday team, thanks for sharing the report. And this report looks awesome, correct? This report looks really good, but however, we need some additional details in the report. Okay? Please add the employee ID separate column. Okay, here you can show the employee name and employee ID in the same tab, correct? So please display the employee ID separate column. Also, this employee belongs to which company? Can you please also you can display the company. See, birth country is different. Your company is different, correct or not? Maybe some of the people are India, correct? Their birthplace India, but they are also working for US company. Okay, but you cannot easily judgment based on the birth country. This is the birth country. Okay, so you can please add the employee ID separate column. Also, please add the company details of these employees. This report is totally good, but only we need two changes. One is for please add the employee ID in a separate column. Also, please add the company details of the employee so that we can easily identify this employee belongs to which company. Okay. So these two suggestions are requested by business team. These two suggestions are requested by business team. Is it valid or not? It's valid, correct? So when you are trying to edit the delivered report, is it possible to modify the delivered report? No. That's what I mentioned very, very clearly. As per workday limitations, as per workday limitations, the system will not allow to edit or modify any of the delivered reports. It is not possible. Whatever delivered report as given by workday, you can just only utilize it. That's it. It is not possible to modify it. Okay. So it's not possible, guys. That's the limitations from workday. It is not possible. Then what options we have? There is no other options. You can create the custom report. That's it. There is no other option, guys. The delivered report, whatever the delivered report is provided by workday, they can utilize as it is. If any additional changes, you want to add some information, you want to delete any existing information, not possible. That's the limitation, guys. It is not possible. Then what options we have? You can create the custom report, same as delivered report, correct? And then the additional two changes requested by business, you can, correct? So let's go to duplicate session. So for creating the custom report, what is the task name? Create custom. Create custom report. Maybe I'm creating the report, maybe terminated employee eligible, correct? CR. CR stands for custom report. Custom report. Just okay. Just okay. Custom report for terminated employee bill. Okay. Select the advanced report. Select the advanced report. Okay. Workers for HCM report. Workers for HCM report. We'll discuss these details upcoming class. Don't worry. I'm just telling the very high level. Okay. I'm creating the custom report, selecting the advanced report type, and select the workers for HCM reporting data source. Okay, I'm selecting the worker. Next, city, right? See location, addresses, city. Next, state. Location, state. Okay, like this, you are going to create all the fields: worker, state, city, state, provision, postal code. Correct? You are going to set up all the fields like that, and then run the report and see the result. Okay, guys, we will create like this. We will create it like this. We'll go one by one and set up all the fields one by one like this. Okay. Similarly, you can add remaining fields, right? Provision, postal code, something like this. So you are going to set up the remaining fields also, correct? Perfect. But do you see one option is available, right? Copy. Perfect. You can also create the custom report using the copy option. If the report type as report writer, if the report if the report type as report writer, it's a standard. The standard reports are allowed to copy, right? Yes or no? I can create the custom reports, you know. I can create the custom report by using the copy option. Yes or no? I can create the custom report, see, using the copy option. Can I? Okay, let me take the RR underscore 128 underscore a terminated employee eligible for benefits, right? Yeah. See now? I can take this RR underscore 128 underscore CR. CR means custom. Okay. Can I click on OK? See, by using the copy option, I'm creating the custom report. See, this report is copied as it is your delivered report, same as custom report. See now? See, all those fields are, see, workers for HCM reporting. See, worker, address, city, state provision. See, click on OK. So which one you feel comfortable? Which one you feel easy? Huh? See,
Copy is comfortable.
by using the copy option, within a minute of time, I'm able to copy the entire delivered report to copy, custom report, I can able to create it. Instead of manually creating and adding all the fields one by one, it's very difficult to design the same as delivered report. Correct? And it may take time. But this is a standard report which is allowed for copy. Yes, you can also create the custom report by using the copy option. See? Now this is the custom report you created by using the copy option. This custom report is allowed to edit. If required, you can delete. See, I can able to play anything. Correct or not? That edit, you can edit this custom report. And what information you want to add? Yeah, please add the plus button. What information you want to add? Employee ID and company. This employee belongs to which company? That's it, right? These two fields you are going to add it based on your such business requirement, correct? Now you can run the report and see the result. Now you can see this employee ID is coming separate column. This employee is also coming which country, sorry, which company you are able to see that. This employee belongs to Germany. This employee belongs to US. Correct or not? Perfect. So these two changes done. That's it. Now you can share this report details to your business team. Okay. As per the workday limitations, workday delivered report is not possible to modify or edit. As per the system limitations, workday delivered reports are not allowed to edit or modify. So we created the custom report same as a delivered report. In that custom report, we added the additional changes suggested by you. Kindly review this report and let me know if we have any further issues on that. That's what. So that is what we are going to communicate it with the business. Okay, perfect. Let's go to one more duplicate session, guys. Your delivered report is there as it is, nothing. Your delivered report is there as it is, see na? Your delivered report is there as it is, okay? This is your delivered report, correct or not? Yeah. In case, if any changes came from the delivered report, if the report is a standard report, we can use that copy option to create the custom report using the copy option. Okay? Perfect. So do you think, is it really required to create the custom report from scratch? No, right? No. So we will discuss this later, okay? Yeah, I'm going to close this one, guys. Okay, you understand the concept? Yeah, I'm closing that. Okay? So that is what you people can understand carefully. What exactly the use case of the copy. So this is the exact use case. If any delivered reports are a change is requested by business, in such cases, delivered reports are not able to modify. Correct? We can create the same as a delivered report and we want to make some changes. Correct? In such cases, you can check that. If the delivered report is a standard report, then we can simply copy to create the custom report. And later you can apply the modifications and share that report to the business. In case you share the express report and business requested few changes, in such cases, what we will do? Yeah? Yeah. See, express report is, see, this report has been shared to the business. They asked some details to add here. The delivery reports are not possible to modification. Correct? Then what you have to do? You are going to create the custom report same as your delivery report. This report is not allowed to copy. It means you can create the custom report from scratch. That's what you people can understand. Okay? Guys, 1 minute, guys. See what is happening here, I can show you. See, guys, you can let's take this open enrollment benefit report, correct? Let me see, this is the open enrollment benefit reports, right? Let me open that. This is the one, okay? Where is the OpenC? Yeah. See, it is an express flow report, correct or not? You run this report and see the result. Okay, these reports are not possible to copy. This is the Workday community. They asked, we have some delivered reports are open enrollment, OE means. We have had some difficulties identifying individuals to add the new dependents. Okay, and the primary object is, can you, if it is possible to make them this report as a standard report. Hope you understand? Yeah, then we can copy. As of now, these are all express flow reports, correct or not? We are unable to copy that. And we are unable to create the similar report from the Workday side. We are not able to create the same report from scratch because it's an express flow report. So we created some tickets. We asked in Workday community the open enrollment reports, okay, expressly. See, it does not feel like there should be any standard report for that. Okay. So we asked to please create the similar reports like as a standard reports. Okay. We requested. So many people are telling that any possibilities, can you please create those open enrollment benefit reports? Okay. Okay. Couple of request layouts. They're telling how we are creating the similar reports. People are discussing the details like this. Okay, you can see that similarly things. See, so these are the delivered reports, and these reports are completely expressive reports. They're unable to create the similar reports. Business requesting some modifications. Then they're requesting saying that if any possibilities, can you please build these expressive reports are into standard reports. Okay. Okay. So similarly, there are so many reports, guys. Okay. See, payable aging reports. You can see the people are saying that the delivered payable reports are completely express for reports. The people are asking, is it possible to, can you make them, okay? Can you create that? See, this is the custom solution that calling that. See, since Workday payable aging report is an express for report that cannot be copied, yes or no? I have created a custom report that means the functionality and includes the aging buckets. See the attached below that he created. He created and he shared that to remaining people. Okay, it is not copy. He's saying that okay, thanks for your putting that out there, and this is a very good, for useful. Some people are telling that thanks. Okay, and similarly, somebody saying that see, somebody we requested. See, we need to add a field payable aging for accounting period by due date report. See, na? Since this is an express for report, it cannot be copied. We have attempted to create a custom report, but are not able to successfully create the same thing because we are really unable to create the similar kind of report sometimes. It is really not possible because of some complexity. In such cases, we will request to Workday, can you please create this express for report possible to standard report? Then we can copy and modify the changes. That is what we keep creating the request and update it into community. It is a brainstorm idea and Workday will review, and Workday can definitely deliver these features. Every release they are converting that express reports to standard reports. Okay, I'm just telling the basic functionality how it will work. Okay, perfect. See now, so very simple concept, guys. Okay, Workday delivered reports are two different types: standard report and express report. Standard reports are allowed to copy and schedule. Express reports are not allowed to copy or schedule. That's it. And what cases you are using the copy? Very simple. You provided a delivered report to the business. Business requested few changes for the delivered report. In such cases, the delivered reports are not possible to modify. Then you can create the custom report by using the copy option if the standard report. Correct? Then you can modify later. That custom report will modify the requirement based on the business. Okay, perfect. The schedule means maybe this is a delivered report, and every week our company managing directors, HR directors are running this report and see the result. They came to us. Hey, dear Workday team, only for this report run, every week we are logging to Workday. We are running the report and see the data. Can we get this output in an email on every weekly basis so that I can quickly check the details in the email itself? Okay, I don't want to run manually on every week. Okay, every week, any possibilities? Can I get this report on every week? Yes. In that case, we can schedule this report. Correct or not? Go to standard report and schedule. You want to run now or you want to run weekly? See, you can run the frequency. See now, business requested weekly, and click on OK. See, when it's okay, runtime parameters, just leave it. Whatever values are there, all will come. Okay, schedule. So this will run weekly only one time, right? Okay, in weekly, in which day you want to run? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. For example, every Friday I want to run. Every Friday, early morning, 8 o'clock EST time. Okay, Eastern Standard Time. When this is going to start? Maybe this Friday onwards, upcoming Friday. Okay, until 31st December 2025, I'm going to run. Just 1 year, I'm going to schedule this. The output is coming Excel or PDF format or CSV format. I don't want to send the report. If it is report is an empty report, I don't want to send. Please select this checkbox. And with whom you want to share this report? As we discussed, the HR admin team, correct or not? With whom you want to share? HR admin or okay, maybe come some CEO. Okay, you want to share any benefit admin team also? Benefit administration team. I don't want to share the CEO. HR team and benefit team. That's it. Yes, I want to agree all the terms and conditions. That's it. That's it. This report has been scheduled, and this report will be running on. Go to additional information. You can see this report will be running on every weekly Fridays. This will run and will output the delivery. That's it. See, do you see how many times this report run? No. Yeah, you want to run now? You can also run now. Why it's okay. Go to processes. Yeah, you can go to why the schedule process is not allowed to run. That's okay. You can see the schedule future processes. What is the task name? Schedule future processes. Okay, because we are using the behalf of, right? That's why it is not scheduled properly. Okay, this has been scheduled with Julie, right? Okay, so generally, so these all the schedules, guys, already scheduled. These schedules you can run now. We can get these kind of activities, but whatever we schedule that is not properly scheduled because you log in as behalf of others. That is why this is not taking because I log in as Julie account and I just start proxy as Logan McNeil. That's why we are unable to get that. So generally these reports already scheduled by some other users. Okay. So and those reports will be running on schedule. See, this is what the schedule. See, I think they already scheduled this one and almost 8 times this is already ran. You can see 8 times this is already run, correct? And again, if you want to rerun it again now, you can go ahead and run now also. Okay, perfect. So this is the copy and schedule options. What exactly the use case? Okay, if any reports are running by business on weekly basis or monthly basis or a quarterly basis, and they don't want to run manually, they want to get that output file into a official email ID. Only those cases we are going to schedule those reports and share that report output to the business team. Okay. In such cases, we are going to use the schedule option. Okay. Perfect. And you know very well copy option. What use cases you are using the copy. Okay. Yeah. The last option is hide the workday delivered reports. For example, business. Okay. Business is I don't want to see the active court order reports. For example. Okay, there is a report, right? Active court orders. I don't want to see this active court order report. Okay, we don't need that report. Can I close this one or okay? Open the duplicate session. I don't want to see the active court order reports in the tenant itself. I don't want to see this report at all. And business requested, can you please delete this report from system permanently? In such cases, in such cases, do you see do you see this active court order reports possible to delete any options? Only run option I can see. Do you see that? No. Then how can you delete that? It is not possible to delete from the system, but temporarily you can hide. Temporarily you can hide the delivered reports. Already 22 reports already hidden. You can also hide this report as well. Now you can run this active court order Do you see any active court order report is available now? No. So temporarily we hide it. That's it. Okay? Perfect. In case if you want to activate again, just go to same task. Hide workday, delivered report, same task you should go and remove the report from there. That's it. Okay? It is activated again. See? Okay? Perfect. So this is the today's topic, guys. Very simple. Delivered reports are two different types: a standard report and an express report. How you will identify the standard and express based on the report type. If the report type as report writing is a standard report, if the report type as an express flow, it is an express flow report. What is the differences between these? Standard reports are allowed to copy a schedule, but express flow reports are not allowed to copy a schedule. That's it. Okay. That's what the requirements came from business, how you are going to deal with that, and the limitations of the workday delivered reports. And also, if you want to hide any delivered reports, yes, we can hide the delivered reports, but it is not removed from the system, but temporarily we can hide those reports. Okay? If some of the reports are business no longer going to use those, we can temporarily hide it. Okay? Perfect. So this is the complete end-to-end process for delivered reports. We are nothing to do anything for the delivered report. We just need to know what all delivered reports are available for each module and what requirements came from business. To check the delivered reports, if it is matching, you can change those details. If not, you can create the custom report. If that is the standard report, you can use copy option to create a custom report. If not, you can create the custom report from scratch. Okay, perfect. So guys, tomorrow we will see the a custom report topic. Okay, so our primary job is to create the custom report, correct? So we will see tomorrow the custom report creation steps, and you would like to know the very important custom report fundamentals first. Okay, we have three important key fundamental elements for custom report: business object, related business object, and data source. You must and should know these three key fundamental elements before creating any custom reporting to work. Okay, so tomorrow we will explain all the reporting key fundamental elements tomorrow. So once you understand those fundamentals, we can create a number of custom reports in Workday. Okay, perfect. So online people, anyone have any doubts, guys?